you know, you truly come in this world by yourself. And when you leave him, you're going to leave by yourself. But while you here, regardless of whether you do right or wrong, good or bad, people are either going to take the credit for your success or they will dismiss you because of your failures. So, reason I'm thinking about this is because I thought about something my mama said. Talking about my mama now. Boy, people are full of shit. I'm talking about my mama now. How you gonna tell me when I had all my children, I dedicated each one of y'all to God? Hold up, hold up. That's good. That sounds all spiritual and shit. But nah, nigga, you trying to get out of your responsibilities. Hold up, hold up. I can't let you get away with that one. Mm-mm. You want to take credit for the successes that the children did, but you don't want to take credit of the failures that the kids did. Nigga, you had something to do with that. Oh, so you dedicated me to God when I was born. Do you know how hard you made my life? If you dedicated me to God when I was born, do you know how hard you made my life? See, people try to get out of responsibilities. And the parents, the Bible tells the parents, provoke not your children. It says, fathers, provoke not your children to wrath, as the manner of some is. See, we always want to use the Bible for what sounds good, but we don't want to take construction. You got to take that whole book. I don't care how you look at it. You got to take that book, the whole book. Parents, do your job. It ain't God's job to raise your children. It's your job. You had them. He didn't.